Motherfucker. Fuck, that's hot. Better good, better not. It's not held on by screws, it's held on by fucking weeds. Feels like I'm setting up an ISIS beheading video. Not only is the wood broken at the some of the anchor points, it's also fucking wet and damp here, so the wood's gonna have to get changed anyway. I was planning on doing it just because obviously we can't be having wet wood floors and I'd rather have some sealed bits of timber, so gonna get some like marine ply just to remake all these. But yeah, we can see through the grip. That's a cool. Do we have a date? Is it focus? I'm trying to look through the camera and see the coin. Is that 43? There you are. It is a 1943 sixpence. And it's even got, you can't really see, but it's King George on the back. Fuck you. This better be fucking worth it. Ah, you fuck, that's right at the ass. Sorry. Word.